Welcome back, guys. I'm Vladimir from Numeric Racing, and we wanted to bring our awesome Porsche aftermarket pedals to the older model cars from the 1965 to the 993. And so it covers the G bodies, the 964s, and we wanted to bring that patent pending hex design, the no fabrication required, easy mounting system to these older model cars. And so today we're going to break down into a product review of each component, and so we can see how it is. Alright, so right now we're going to start off with the gas pedal. It still has that grip patent pending design for the hexagons, and so it makes it so it's anti-slip. It's hard coat anodized, so it's scratch resistant. And then as you see towards the back, it's all stainless steel hardware. Much more adjustability with these because of the rod here. You can adjust it, so you can move this pedal based off your preference forward and back towards you, or you can change that angle. So then there's a nut here, jammy nut here, so then you'll be able to adjust that. Then there's also a stopping mechanism so that you don't damage your cable. And then also what we really also features this sliding rail right here. So whenever it's mounted inside a car, you'll see it during our installation video, is that you can move this closer and further to the brake based off your preference for heel toe. So it really adds that adjustability forward and back and side to side with this rail. Also, there is two different mounting systems. One for the 1965 to 89, and then also one for the 964s and 993s, but they both offer that same adjustability. Also, ours offers a wider surface area compared to stock, as you can tell here. And so, but if you don't like that and you want it just like stock, you can move ours to the side and it'll be able to cover it. Or if you want yours closer, you can also move it. So it really has that adjustability feature to it. And so now let's get to the brake pedal mounting. The brake pedals are no fabrication required. It is anti-drilling. So what it is it's a back bracket. It's all machined on this face and on this face, and so that it is able to grip that pedal between. You tighten it down, and we'll also show that more in depth on the install. But as you can tell, whenever you mount it, you have no hardware shown from the front side, and it comes with our tool and with the kit so that you can screw that on and tighten it on. And then also our card comes with it. On the back side, there's a QR code to the installation guides for every product purchased. And what we're really excited about is our feature we're doing for this car for the 964s and 993s. This is the switch for the brake light. And so what happens is whenever you move the brake, because they're always so far forward, they're like, in reference, it's like this far. And so we want to move that brake pedal back. We also move the gas pedal so much, but you can only move it so much. So now we move that brake pedal back, but whenever you do that, the switch gets disconnected, and so then your brake lights won't work. And so we offer a piece with all 964s and 993s. Just leave it in the section for the notes whenever you're purchasing it, and it will come with your purchase. One of these plungers, we have an extended version, and so then you can install it in your car and it'll be able to move that brake pedal much further back, and heel tone will be a breeze. We'll show a brief clip of what we're speaking of inside a 993 shortly. Alright, so this is what we were mentioning before. Our plunger is going to be longer here, and so we're going to have it adjusted we're going to break it down in the install video in depth of how to adjust this brake pedal. But for now, it's just to explain that we made a longer plunger here so that your brake light works, so that whenever you push this pedal back, as you can tell, it was lined up with the clutch. See how much further back it is now? And so now it's much more leveled with that gas pedal. If you don't want it that far back, it's fine. There's going to be you can either grind down this our plunger goes all the way out, so it's the furthest, and then if you want it shorter, you can grind it down just a little bit. It's going to be plastic, so the same material from the stock one. So then you can adjust that level based off of your preference personally. But now we offer that option so that now you can do that heel toe much easier than what it was whenever it was all the way back out here. It does raise it just a hair up taller, so if that bothers you, it's fine. You can run it just like stock, but this is an available option for 964s and 993s with our pedal set. All right, so our pre-orders are going live now, and you can order them in aluminum, in black, with a logo, without a logo, and you can get your set today.